Hey friends, welcome back to Seavminh channel. So today we're gonna discuss about a new topic, and all of you maybe wonder why it's really happened like this. And for you, have you ever wondered why many big company in American make their product into China, or why President Trump is now telling those company to come back home? It means US. Well, today we're gonna going to break it down in a simple way and let you easy to understand. So let's get started. So what's going on? Okay, so here's the big deal. Many huge companies like Apple, Nike, and Tesla, they build their stuff in China. Why? Because it's cheaper there. Workers in China get paid less than workers in the US, so the companies save a lot of money. But now President Trump is saying, hey, come back home, build your products in America again. According to CNN, Trump said this could help American workers get more jobs and stop depending so much on China. So why does Trump want this? There are a few reasons why he's pushing for this change. The first, job. He wants to create more jobs for people in the US. Two, protecting the US technology. When companies make their product in China, sometimes their idea and text could be copied or shared. The BBC reported that the US has accused China of stealing text in the past, even though it doesn't have any proof or evidence. 3. Less dependence on other countries. Trump wants the US to be strong and make its own stuff, especially after problems like the pandemic. Why companies saying no thanks? Most companies don't really like this idea, and here's why. The first one, it's cheaper to stay in China. The second one, if they move back to the US, the cost to make things goes up, and that means you and I would pay more to buy them. Third, they already have factories, worker, and systems set up in China. So moving everything again would be super expensive. Forbes says many businesses are worried this will make their product too pricey. So what are companies doing now? Not all of them want to move back to the US, but some are thinking of leaving China. Instead, they might go to countries like Vietnam, India, or Mexico. Why? Because it's still cheaper there than in America and there's less political pressure. According to the router, more companies started make this move after COVID-19 pandemic and the trade war between the US and China. So what does this all mean? Trump wants to protect American jobs and keep the US technology safe, and that's why he wants company to come back. But company cares about the money and cost. And right now, moving back isn't easy or cheap for them. So, what do you think? Should American company leave China and go back to the US? Or should they stay where it's cheaper? Let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit the like button and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Seavminh for more simple and interesting videos. See you next time. Goodbye.